Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the slide layout on your WPS presentation on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the slide layout, I just going to show. So this is the starting layout, which is have only a title and also the subtitle. So I just want to change this slide layout. How to change the slide layout? If you're just adding a new slide, you will see this slide for an example is for a new slide, but it already existed slide can also be changed by using this simple option. Just click on this menu option, and now you just want to scroll on the top section and just choose the design option. After choosing the design option, just scroll down to the bottom section, and here you will see an option called layout. Click on the layout option. Now you just need a picture and title option. You just want to change this. Just click this. It automatically you can see the first slide has been changed. So you just need to click on the slide option, design option, and just click on this layout, and you can just change whatever the slide that you just needed. This is how you just change the slide layout on your WPS presentation on your mobile. You can just change any slide layout on using this option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful day.